Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to log in to Meta Business Suite on the web. Let's get straight into it. First, open your browser and click in the address bar at the top of the window. Type business.facebook.com and hit enter. This is the direct URL for Meta Business Suite, so it skips Facebook's main interface entirely. If you're not already logged into Facebook, you'll see a login screen. If you're already logged in, it'll take you straight through to the Business Suite dashboard. On the login screen, you'll see two fields in the center, one for your username and one for your password. Enter your personal Facebook login details here. Meta Business Suite doesn't have separate business login credentials. It ties access to your personal Facebook account for security and verification purposes. Your personal profile stays separate though, so people who interact with your business page won't see your personal Facebook activity. Enter your details and log in, and it'll redirect you into Business Suite. Now, if you manage more than one business account, you'll see an account selector appear with your available business portfolios listed. Click on the one you want to manage. If you only manage one business account, you won't see this step at all. Meta will automatically load that account. After you select your account, Meta might show you a short welcome flow the first time you log in. Just click Get Started when it appears, and you'll land in the main dashboard with all your business tools and insights visible. One thing to do straight away, bookmark the business.facebook.com URL. That's the only link you need for daily access, so having it bookmarked saves you navigating through Facebook every time. Also, if you manage your business on the go, there's a Meta Business Suite mobile app available. You can download it from the App Store or Google Play. The app gives you push notifications for messages and comments, which makes it easier to respond quickly when customers reach out. That's the full process. Thanks for watching.